Hey, in this video, I'm gonna share a new Helium 10 discount and a new Helium 10 coupon code with you, so you'll be able to save big if you'd like to invest in the Helium 10 set of tools. Now, in this video, I'm gonna have two offers for you. One is gonna be a limited time offer, and the second one is gonna be an evergreen offer that's gonna be available for you even if you're watching a year from now. And in the end of this video, I'm gonna have something really cool for you that's gonna help you use Helium 10 in a much better way, so you'll be able to reach the results you're looking for much faster and hopefully even easier. Promise. So that's gonna be in the end of the video, so stick around. Now let's start with the offers. So I have two offers, as I mentioned. The limited time offer that's gonna be available for 16 hours, 42 minutes and 6 seconds. And the second one is the evergreen offer, which I wanna start from. So the evergreen offer gives you 50% off your first month on Helium 10. You can use the coupon code VOVA50. It gives you 50% of your first month for Platinum, Diamond, and the a la carte plans, and also for the yearly Helium 10 plans. And the other offer is VOVA10, a coupon code. It gives you 10% off every month recurring on Helium 10. Also available for the Platinum, for the Diamond, for a la carte, and also for the yearly plans. And also you can create a free Helium 10 account. And the link to get all these offers, the evergreen offers, is going to be down in the description for you. Click on this link, it's going to lead you to this landing page where you can get these coupon codes and get that free account. That's going to be an affiliate link. Means that if you ever use this link, I'm going to get a little commission from that if you ever do business with Helium 10 at no extra cost to you. And in this way, you'll be able to support my free content here on YouTube. My name is Vova Evan, seller on Amazon. Been selling there since late 2016, still actively selling in the trenches on Amazon US and Canada, and actively creating content for you here. Over 240 videos that I've created for you. So enjoy them and thank you for supporting my channel. And the second link is going to lead you to this landing page, also going to be in the description. Click on this link, it's going to lead you here. And the really cool offer, that's the limited time offer, gives you 50% of your first month and also the second month, both on Platinum and both on the Diamond plans. I repeat again, so you have 50% off for your first month on Helium 10 and the second month, both for the Platinum and the Diamond plans, available for the next 16 hours, 40 minutes and 21 seconds. So click on this link down in the description to go and redeem your offer. And now, as promised, I have here on the screen a full playlist of Helium 10 tutorials that are going to help you use Helium 10 in a much better way. I've created over 70 tutorials for you, all with my best practices of selling over $1 million on Amazon US and a few tens of thousands of dollars on Amazon Canada as well. So click on this playlist if you'd like to learn more from me about Helium 10. All the discounts, coupons are in the description for you. I wish you an awesome day. I'm off to the gym. Bye. See you soon. Bye-bye.